Welcome to dsnews.com. I'm Kelly Snogren, and this is Wednesday's Top Default Servicing News. National home prices finished 2012 with a strong yearly gain, but prices fell flat quarter over quarter in December, according to a report from Clear Capital. Prices in December saw a 0.9% quarterly increase, remaining mostly unchanged from the 1% quarterly improvement in November, Clear Capital reported. Year-over-year national home prices grew by 4.9%. The data provider expects to see continued growth into 2013, but estimates the increase will be slower at 2.1%. Dr. Alex Villacorta, Director of Research and Analytics at Clear Capital, said, quote, "The housing landscape, however, could quickly shift." Dr. Alex Villacorta, Director of Research and Analytics at Clear Capital, said, quote, "The housing landscape, however, could quickly shift should the broader economy tumble back into recessionary territory. Whether by perception or actual decrease in buying power for the average consumer, residual effects of the fiscal cliff deal could cause housing to change course. But as it stands now, home prices have continued to show resiliency by posting their largest yearly gain in nearly 2.5 years," end quote. The Improving Markets Index rose for the 5th consecutive month in January, according to a report from the National Association of Home Builders. Only markets that have shown at least 6 months of improvement in employment, housing permits, and home prices from their respective troughs are added to the list. In January, the index reached 242. The index measured 201 in December. The list now includes entrants from 48 states and the District of Columbia. The only states not represented are Kansas and New Mexico. As always, you can find more on these stories and all the latest headlines from around the industry here on our site. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again on Thursday. Until then, stay with dsnews.com for all of your most relevant default servicing news.